Hey, what's up? This is Matt. This is my new YouTube channel, Mass Precision Wrench. In this episode, I'm replacing the short block on this 2024 F150 5-liter. This is the new block, and if you look at the deck, it has these pinholes, and the deck surface doesn't look too great, but they told me to install this anyways. So this is where the block leaks the oil behind the oil filter housing. There's a picture brought to you by Ford. So right here I am cleaning the deck, preparing it, the block, whatnot. And yeah, that's a cloth that leaves lint, but I'm gonna blow all that stuff off nonetheless. And you'll get to see the findings by doing this. Okay, right here I'm just blowing the deck, getting all the lint off and whatnot. I'm gonna blow all the holes, make sure there ain't no junk in there. Now look what I found here, a piece of metal shaving. This was out of the head bolt hole. So this is all the prep work that takes extra time that I have to do that they're probably not paying me for. Yeah, there's M time, whatnot, but that's part of all the paperwork and red tape and nonsense that I really don't like to deal with. And on top of that, I have to use 2 bays to perform this job. The truck's taking up one. Obviously I need space to perform the work. And then downtime for them to come and inspect the block and then tell me, okay, it's good, you could use this piece of junk. Okay, setting up the crank, you can see the keyway has to be, it's like the 4 o'clock position as seen in the picture, brought to you by Ford. So this job right here is pretty much part of the reason, not fully, but why I quit Ford. And this is a recall for the TSB. But nonetheless, just all this red tape and paperwork and approvals you got to go through just to get anything done, and just dealing with all the other obstacles and variables nonetheless.
Oh, fuck, is this ticket?
The people that are making these, they don't know shit about cars.
Well, this will conclude the segment for this short block series. This is my first video, so forgive me for any flaws and imperfections. I'll get better as I go. See you in the next one.